Hey guys, and welcome back to our our channel. So this is Nikel and I are on our way to stop at this local bakery that we've been wanting to stop by. We haven't done so, but we are going to now. It's a rainy day. Um, New York weather is so wicked. It's either raining or it's snowing or it's negative 10 degrees or it's 65 degrees or I don't even know anymore. It's like so confusing. It's always cloudy sometimes and it'll be sunny, then it'll just get cloudy again. Whatever it is, we're just gonna enjoy the day. Although it's rainy outside, it's not gonna kill us. Also, you guys stay tuned to the end of the video as I have a Marley twist tutorial. You're so funny.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good. Can we just have a Cuban sandwich and just two coffees?
Café con leche, yeah.
Café con leche?
Yeah.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Look. This is where we almost died.
I almost died right here.
We almost
These was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty.
Hey, so today I'm off from work and I was sitting here just about to like make a smoothie or whatever for my lunch. And then I thought about this black wig that I have had for such a long time that I kind of wore once outside. So I was like, let me just put it on and like see when Nikel thinks when he gets in the house. So I'm gonna do that. I'll show you guys the process. So this is the wig that I bought. I bought it off Amazon. I guess it was like a long bob and I kind of didn't like it this long, so I ended up trimming it when I first got it, right? But then I still didn't like how long it was. So I'm about to trim it again right now. And then I also had to spray some dry shampoo because that's what makes it, I guess, look a little bit more less plasticky and synthetic. So that's what I read online anyways, because I don't really wear wigs. I just wear like my hair regular like this, or I just put braids in and that's it. But I'm going to try to like cut some more off. I probably won't show you guys because since I'm new to the recording stuff, I don't know if I want to show you. It's probably gonna take too long anyways. But this is the wig. It's cute, right? Let's see. Alright guys, so I cut the hair. Can you guys kind of tell? Kind of have to probably trim right here. I just hate how like... Anyways, so I couldn't find, what do you call those things that you put on your head? A cap. I have got a cap when I bought this wig, but I can't find it. I probably threw it out thinking like, hey, you're never gonna use that. Throw that on the garbage. I throw everything out because I hate clutter, I hate mess. I just throw everything out. So I put the wig on. I think it looks good. So I'm trying to figure out what glasses. I don't like these glasses. I feel like I look a little bit funny. So I'm putting these on. These, oh yeah, these look way better. Way, way better. So I hope he doesn't think I want anything more from him than just to I don't know, I guess like get a reaction to what he says when he gets in the house. He might think I want something else. I mean, whatever. But it's funny. I just hate how this side doesn't... Whatever, but I think it's cute. Does it look like plasticky, you guys think? I think it doesn't. I put a lot more of the... what's it called? This thing called? The dry shampoo. I don't really use dry shampoo because my hair is very curly, so I just have to wash my hair. And, what do you guys think? So I'm here just waiting for him to get home. He should be home in a couple minutes. Usually he's home right now, but I asked him to go to the store and bring me coffee. So he should be here soon. Open the door. See what he thinks of my new do.
Introducing the new BravaJet M6 robot mop with an adjustable precision jet spray and advanced pad system. BravaJet breaks up.
Coming. Sorry.
Alright. Hey, mommy, sit down.
Hey, love.
Hey, boy. You transforming?
Yeah.
Girl, where my wife at?
Right here.
What's up, baby?
You like
Put that
it?
camera down. Let's do... No, I'm joking.
Stop.
Shit.
I know he was going to like it, yo.
Baby,
Baby, come on, let's go.
want me to do it for you? I got you.
No, I had to cut a little bit today.
I'm joking.
Alright, let's go outside.
You going outside?
Go outside. It's not.
What's up, shorty?
Hey.
What's up, man? What's your name?
I don't know.
Your name is Vero?
You're making me nervous. You guys, I have a confession to make. I hate doing my hair every day. I wake up every day and I like, if I do not do a braid out the day before to like leave my hair out curly, I slick my hair back and I do a ponytail and I go out. I can't do my hair every day. I just hate it. It's just like really annoying to me to do your hair, especially when you have natural hair. It's kind of just like a science, and sometimes you don't feel like working on it all the time. So I'm going to, yesterday I was talking to my husband and I was like, yeah, I should just put my hair back in those twists that I do, the Marley twist, because like I wasn't doing my hair. He got tired of seeing my hair slick back. And like guys, like pretty sure that like it's kind of the same sentiment what we have when like don't shave your beard, don't do this to yourself. I don't like that outfit with your husbands or your boyfriends or whatever. So I kind of understand his frustration sometimes when I have the same hairstyle for like 20 days. So I'm going to braid my hair today. I'm going to do some Marley twists on my hair. My hair is already detangled. I have to just oil it and put some water on it and just get it done. I want to show you guys a little bit of the process of how it is and how it turns out. I learned how to do the braids. I want to say, I think maybe like a couple months now, a few months, not a couple, a few months. I was doing it at the beginning with my husband. He used to be the one to help me, but he was so slow. He was so slow and so rough that I ended up learning how to do it myself, and now I'm way faster than him and I do it way better than him. So yeah, what I wanted to say also was it takes me about, if I don't stop and do things, which obviously it's not realistic because we have to stop and do things and like go eat and like get up and like be on your phone. It takes me about 3 to 4 hours to do, sometimes less. I think it takes me less, but I stop so much because I'm just like over it. But I'm gonna count the time. Well, I don't want to count the time because I'm still gonna stop and be on my phone and do things, whatever. But it doesn't take me that long to do. It's very simple. It's so easy to me, and I'm pretty fast at it too. So I don't know. I'm about to get started now with this hair. These are, I guess, I want to say my supplies maybe, but got my hair. It was freshly washed from the last time. I got a spray bottle with some water, and I think I have lavender oil in it and some other oils. I have some gel. Edge control I kind of really don't use, but sometimes I do use it for my, I guess for the edges, whatever. And the twisting cream and some castor oil. So yeah, and coffee, of course. You need coffee, and you need the remote because this is long, you guys, very long. Here goes. So basically what you do is that for every individual part you would spray your water. I mean, at least for me, you would spray your water, you would put some castor oil, some of your ointment, and then you would do that for every part, and you break each part into 2 strands, and then you have to kind of twist in the same direction for each part. I mean, for each strand. You twist in the same direction, and then you overlap it, and then you just braid down. The only thing is that sometimes I have to start over, and like it'll be too chunky at the top, and the bottom will be too thin, or whatever it is. But I will have to start it over again. But basically, that's kind of what it is. It's not hard. It's just time consuming. And if you guys want, I can do another video again, kind of with more explanation, with like more of a what's that called? More of a zoomed in situation where you guys can see how to do the twists, because they're not really hard. They're so easy, and if you have the time, then why not? Like, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Just try. And it saves you hundreds of dollars each session. See, it just gets easier and easier to do. Like, you can tell I'm gonna have to do this one over because you see the top part was a little bit loose there. I needed to be a little tighter than that. And then you just keep going and going. See, that do it again. That happens sometimes. Another tip of advice with parting, since I'm the one that parts my hair, and it's really hard to part your hair for yourself, I think. You have to kind of just care about how you part it at the front, and the back doesn't really matter how you part because nobody gets to see the back. They just really get to see the front. So the front part to me is easy to part because, you know, it's the front. But the back, you don't have to really worry about it. You just grab whatever you're going to grab and just braid. But as here, I try to make my parts a little bit neat, although they're not as neat as they should be. But I'm getting further to the back, so they get a little messier towards the back. But that's just my advice as far as parting.
Juicy on the beat.
finally I finished after it felt like I was there forever. It took me a little longer this time, but I think I did a great job. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys would like a more zoomed in, more detailed video, and I would do that for you guys. Since the holidays, I took my hair out already, and I'm just letting my natural hair breathe. So I'll probably be putting my braids in about a month. So just let me know, you guys, and I would do that for you guys. And that's it. It wasn't so hard. As you can tell, it's pretty simple. You just have to have patience. You need patience, and I have tons of it. So that's why it works for me. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are having a great week, a great day. Whenever you guys do see this video, I hope it's a good. You're good, and you're feeling good. You're feeling great. Sending you guys so much